UNICEF says that while casualty data has been difficult to gather in Gaza, they estimate 70 children a day have been injured since the conflict began. A Colorado doctor from Children's Hospital is among a group of medical professionals who recently traveled to Gaza to help out. Your reporter in Aurora, Michael Abeta, spoke to him about the need that continues in Gaza even as the ceasefire holds.
Dr. Mohamed Kuziez is a pediatrician here in Colorado. He put his own safety aside to fly across the globe to help the children of Gaza.
Gaza is the most dangerous place in the world to be a child.
When Dr. Mohamed Kuziez saw the devastation in Gaza, he knew he had to help out.
Just knowing what was going on and the severity of the situation and the degree of need motivated me to want to go there.
He's a physician with Children's Hospital Colorado, and after seeing how many kids were being injured, he thought his skills could be put to good use in Gaza, so he volunteered to go help with Rama Worldwide.
I don't have an answer to everything going on, but I know that these kids deserve a chance.
He arrived 9 days before the ceasefire agreement was reached between Israel and Hamas, but he says those 9 days were the toughest days he's ever experienced as a doctor.
In the evening, you would know how bad it was going to be based off of how bad the bombing was that we were hearing. In the morning, I would see patients who had survived, and just the long-term prognosis of these kids was it was difficult. It's sad.
He says since the ceasefire began, things have improved, but there's still a lot of need in Gaza.
The long-term issues these kids are going to have to deal with are going to become present now that we have a ceasefire. And so having pediatric specialists and having even just adult specialists in this area, I think is still necessary.
He thinks the whole situation is a catastrophe.
I want people to understand that in war, there are no victors.
Dr. Kuziez's tour is over, and he is trying to get home with a group of doctors from Texas and Colorado. In Aurora, Michael Abeta, covering Colorado First.